Ooh, baby. I'm gonna let that guy smoke for a few more hours, but in the meantime, why don't you come with me? Let's go check out this amazing Ardsley Park area bungalow. 2 beds, 1.5 baths, all on a 0.25 acre lot. Let's go check it out.
They think I'm trying to reach a milestone, but I'm high on my own, yeah. We've been exploding for years. Exploding for years. Yeah, I don't need no validation. I'm full of dedication. All good on congratulations. Got that covered like lamination. I'm so patient, my fans are great, and there's something in the fridge for the fam to play, and my family great, and when someone's waiting, I step that up like Channing Tatum. I'm goals to me. Chasing streams is old to me. Someone in my life feel lonely, they come talk to me like Jodeci.